Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rankin County in central Mississippi, northern Smith County in central Mississippi, Scott County in central Mississippi, southeastern Hinds County in central Mississippi, south central Madison County in central Mississippi, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fenham, or near Bremen, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, emergency management. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Jackson, Clinton, Pearl, Madison, Ridgeland, Brandon, Flowood, Richland, Forest, Morton, Star, Harperville, Florence, Raymond, Tallahatchie, Homewood, Leesburg, Goshen Springs, Ludlow, and Pulaski. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and east central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.